Did you know that you have access to a digital subscription to the New York Times as a Beloit College student? To get started, head to accessnyt.com. Type in Beloit College. Click Go. Create an account with your Beloit College email. Once you've filled in the form, hit Create Account. Next, NYT needs a little bit of information about your affiliation. Provide your status and graduation year, then click Sign Up. After you click Get Started, you're ready to browse the New York Times. Make sure you're logged in next time you check out NewYorkTimes.com by clicking Account in the upper right corner. Every year, you'll need to renew your account. We've created a research guide with the link to renew your subscription. Head to guides.beloit.edu/newspapers/NYT and scroll down to the New York Times renewal instructions. If you have any questions about creating your account, renewing, or accessing resources, let us know at libref@beloit.edu. We're here to help.